Ukraine targeted St. Petersburg again after Russian President Vladimir Putin rejected President Volodymyr Zelensky's offer for direct talks. AP reports the renewed attack put pressure on Putin's image of the war as distant from Russian daily life. St. Petersburg's governor advised residents not to go outside and warned of possible mobile internet disruptions. AP reports the surrounding Leningrad region said 141 drones were shot down, while Russia's defense ministry said air defenses downed 376 Ukrainian drones overall. Zelensky wrote that Ukrainian drones covered about 1,000 kilometers to the St. Petersburg region, targeting what he called enemy naval arsenals and a base in Kronstadt. AP reports no casualties were immediately reported. The strike came as St. Petersburg hosted Putin's annual International Economic Forum, a showcase meant to project stability and investment strength. A previous Ukrainian drone strike had set an oil terminal ablaze and hit a nearby naval base. Putin rejected Zelensky's proposal for a face-to-face meeting, saying he saw no point in it. AP reports Putin also said Russia would strengthen air defenses after Ukrainian drone attacks reached deeper inside the country. The big question is whether Ukraine can keep using long-range drones to make the war feel immediate inside Russia. Every strike near St. Petersburg challenges Moscow's sense of control, even when air defenses stop most of the drones.